I have this new book that I have made, actually journal. I like to do things so that they have a theme, and this book theme is books and reading. In the cover I have a picture of Marilyn Monroe, and she's reading too. This is cardstock cover. I have little metal corners here, lace. First time I made little embellishment here. You can take it off also if you don't like it. And this is backside. Steam binding closure. So, and here it goes. I have print out some pictures that I have found Pinterest, and also I have used some paper from Etsy, and I will put link below where you can find them. First I have pocket in here, and also you can put something in there. First page, there is pocket. Girls are reading, and this big tag. And I have tried put everything I have found about books and reading theme. There you can write also some stamping and papers, or all are tea-dyed. Here's pocket too. This lady is reading in railway, and some book paper. I think this is some kind of muffins. Oh yeah. Okay. Here I have pocket too. It's open all the way, and some pictures, and you can write there too. Tag place. Here is envelope, and this lady is reading also. Here some things where you can write. This is only decoration. This lady is reading, and some papers where you can write. This opens like that, so you can write all the pages. This lady I have fussy cut and made it little pocket. I think this is Primo paper, and she's reading also. This is also Primo. I love this picture, it's so peaceful. So this is middle of the signature. There is two signature. I have put little flowers in there. This lady is also fussy cut, so it makes little tag place. Belly band. And this is books. There is a little tag place. That is only decoration. Other end that envelope, and there is also something this man is reading. I don't know, this is some old film stars, at least I recognize, but I don't remember the name. This is cute. Little girl with a book. And tag. This is only decoration. Here is little duck place. And it's actually envelope in here. And there is only little piece of paper. Second signature. There I have again flip up pocket, and you can also put something in there. There is that place. There is little pocket, and behind this other one. There is also a lady that I have fussy cut there. Tags. And this one is, I was trying to put these eyelets here, so it's a little bit of base paper. This you can open, so you can write here and also here. There is tag place, one big tags, and here is also something, and you can put here also. There is pocket, that is only piece of paper, and so is this. There you can write all the page, and there is pocket. And here, and there is also, you can put there something. In this book is a lot of space to write. That is only, I have put lines in back. There is pocket in here, and this lady. Then you got put something in. This is only piece of paper. Something in back there, and also these bags. You can put something there. And when you like this in here, it closes the bag. And there is a little pocket, the tag place. This is only layering. And here is envelope. And there is only piece of paper. You can put something in here also. Oh, this is close. And this is backside, and I have made pocket also in here, and there is this big tag. So that is this book and the journal. This will be also in my Etsy shop if you are interested. So thanks for watching and see you again.